So want to talk about your engine isolators or your engine shock mounts, engine mounts, a lot of different names for them. At AirPower, we are a distributor for Hutchinson Aerospace, makers of Barry mounts. Barry mounts, a lot of times people are thought of as a PMA or an aftermarket replacement, and they are for many applications, but they are OEM. On this Columbia 400 right here, they were OEM, and they're these green rubber isolators. You can get them for Cessna 152s, all the way up to the Boeing 737. Here at AirPower, of course, being GA focused, we're gonna carry them for piston engine airplanes, King Airs, Pilatuses, but we've got a large stock of them. And really, when you wanna take a look at these, they should be inspected every year for any sort of sagging. They're gonna last you a long time, but definitely when the engine comes off for an overhaul, you really probably should replace these. I mean, especially in the GA world where, you might be overhauling your engine every 15 or 20 years just because you don't fly that much. There's no added labor to replace the shock mounts. They're pretty inexpensive. In most applications, it's gonna cost you about another $1,000. You're just buying the parts, and take a look at them. But yeah, you wanna make sure they're not sagging. And again, when the engine's off, it's a great time to replace those.